So last year I bought some Jigsaw pepper seeds from Baker Creek, and I like to buy like rare varieties or just different varieties I've never grown. So I really didn't know what to expect, but I was able to get these little purple ones. And so far I think I got like maybe two of these, and you can't really tell on the video, but it's a very dark purplish color, though it looks kind of black. But we'll see what the flavor tastes like. I'm not really sure so far. But essentially this is what the outcome is once you finally grow it. It's got like these nice green and white leaves with like a little purplish kind of tint with these little purple flowers. We'll see in the summer how if I'm able to get some more. But so far I haven't got any other peppers growing from it. So hopefully in time I'll get some others so that way I can save the seeds for next year. But try them out if you like something ornamental.